Hey Geek, so it's the end of 2022 and well, let's talk. So if you are brand new to my channel, this is the Geek Outdoors channel, and the reason why I call it that is because I'm a geek, I enjoy being outdoors, and a lot of my older videos I was outdoors a lot more. But it's basically more about this whole creative lifestyle. That's really the main purpose of this channel. And for all of you who have been here a while, who watch my channel, subscribe, and supported my channel, I first want to say thank you for all my longtime supporters, and thank you for everybody who's new here to this channel. And so for these type of videos, and for most of my videos, I typically don't script things, but I do kind of have an idea of what I want to talk about. And so in this case, let's go ahead and talk about what's been going on with this channel in 2022. And so if you have been around for a while, you know that I've changed my content a lot over the years, and this year is no different. And so for the past few years, you're probably seeing a lot of video editing tutorials, OBS, and YouTube tutorials, and a lot of these things are geared towards more of the creator lifestyle. And now it's still on that path, and it's pretty much almost always going to be about the creative lifestyle, just heading into different parts of that. And so if you notice on my videos this year, you've probably been seeing me do more of these gear reviews or hardware reviews or just more tech type stuff. I still have the tutorial videos, but I'm expanding more into that. And the reason I'm doing that is for like two main reasons. The first reason is, well, I'm investing in more gear so I could become a better creator. And then the second thing is, I've always been a fan of tech gear. And so all of these things that I talk about, they are all related to this whole creative lifestyle. And a lot of times whenever I make this content, it's really a representation of where I'm at in my own creative life and journey. And so most of the times I just want to share that with you in the hopes that what I'm learning, what I'm going through will help anybody else who's actually going through the same thing or thinking about doing that. And so this year, more gear, more stuff about tech, and still the tutorials are there, but they've kind of taken a backseat to the gear stuff. And then as we go forward in 2023 and beyond, you'll probably see more of that. And obviously, as I change, as I learn new things, and as I see what you like and what works well for me and the audience, then obviously the content is going to change again. And this year was really a great year for me in terms of improving my production quality because of the new equipment, and more importantly, the skills that I've learned. I really thoroughly enjoyed, improving those skills. And then to go along with that, I really thoroughly enjoyed all of you, all the previous people who's been here supporting my channel for a long time. I can't thank you enough. But all the new people coming to my channel, they've given me a lot of ideas and thoughts, because the majority of people who come to my channel is newer people. Okay, so it's going to be a different segment, different audience, and with that comes different types of ideas, expectations, and thoughts. And also for me, I'm evolving at the same time, and so this is pretty much an exciting time for me. And also this year, in terms of growth, it has been slower over the past few years, but I've seen more of a growth this year, which tells me that a lot of the content changes that I made over the years, it is growing a different audience, and also YouTube is constantly changing. And then another point I want to make is I really want to have more fun, with this channel and also with my other channels. If you didn't notice, I have multiple YouTube channels. If you go to my About, you'll see other channels or my channels. I can't remember where it is on the YouTube page, but you'll notice that I have different channels. And a lot of these channels came about because whenever I started this channel, and for many years, it was a huge variety channel. I was just making a lot of different content. And then eventually I started to focus more, and then all the other ideas that I have, I branched them out into their own channels. And actually I'm starting to see growth in those as well, with different audiences over there. And so that is really exciting for me. And in terms of like where I'm thinking of going in 2023 and beyond, I really want to get better at this whole production quality. That's something that I haven't focused on too much over the years, because I really want to focus on content quality, but now I also want to focus on the production quality as well, because a lot of the times whenever I produce my content, once people see it for the majority of my videos, people do enjoy the content. They're getting some type of value out of it, and that means a lot to me. And now I want to take it up to another level where, you know, the content quality I think is already good. You know, it continually gets better, but my production quality is something that, you know, I could definitely improve. And so those are some of my thoughts for 2022, and also, you know, where I'm thinking of going next. And this whole entire creative journey, creative lifestyle is something that you really can't predict, and it's also really fun and exciting. And hopefully with all of this content I produce here and on my other channels, it's also going to create that similar or same type of excitement and curiosity in your creative journey. And so I just want to once again thank all of you for coming to this channel, watching the content, supporting and adding ideas. So if you actually had any other thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another video.